Yeah, we had decided over at Exteriors to come to the Ascent seminar with JobNimbus just because we want to stay ahead of the curve. A lot of new innovation and changes are coming.
I wanted to come to Ascent mostly to be with the team and just help learn more about JobNimbus. And JobNimbus for me, with the job role I have, is definitely one I need to get better at. And being at a place like this, luckily y'all host it, is the best place to be to get that knowledge, in my opinion.
I really enjoy using JobNimbus. It helps me from day to day keep on task, keep my customers updated with all the automations. I just think it's a wonderful product to use for a salesman.
So there is quite a few changes that had just come to market with JobNimbus, but these innovations are amazing. These are processes to help simplify our everyday book of business. So if you're not innovating, you're going to get left behind.
I like learning about the AI. Of course, that's in everything that we're doing now, so the more you can learn about that, the better off your life is going to be.
A lot of fun hearing about AI and how that integrates, but really cool to kind of see it live action in front of you.
Highly recommend JobNimbus to anyone that's on the fence. This is a great program to take your business to the next level.
One thing about JobNimbus that I found out today is everybody that I've met through JobNimbus is an extraordinary person. Very friendly, very helpful, polite. This is a great company.
I recommend JobNimbus. Definitely help you out in getting more sales and streamlining your process.
Yeah, we would definitely recommend to come to an Ascent Series with JobNimbus.